Merci de votre attention.
Hello. Over the next few minutes, we'll show you how to install, maintain, and operate your new Bestway sand filter. Please keep in mind, this video is to accompany the printed user's manual and is not a substitute. Pay careful attention to the warnings and safety instructions included in the manual. Refer to your manual to ensure all components are present. It is important to select a smooth, solid, level surface to install the sand filter approximately 1 meter away from the pool. We need to load the filter with pool-grade filter sand. Ensure the provided cap is on the collector hub. This prevents sand from entering the hub. Add the sand to the bottom tank. Go slowly so the weight of the sand does not damage the skimmer on the connector hub. Be careful not to pour sand into the pipe of the collector hub. Please note, use only pool-grade filter sand, number 20 silica sand, free of all limestone and clay. Fill until the sand reaches the top of the rim. Now we'll assemble the filter. Be sure to remove the cap from the collector hub. Ensure the O-ring is in place and wash away any sand from around the rim. Remove the flange clamp from the control valve. Attach the control valve aligning port C on the valve with port C on the pump. Screw the control valve into position with the top flange clamp. Now connect the pressure gauge to the control valve. Attach the piping to both port C's on the pump and the control valve by screwing the threaded locking rings into position. With the pump assembled, we can prepare to backwash and rinse the sand bed. We'll begin by connecting hose B to the filter and pool. Connect the other hose to port D. Now we will backwash and rinse the sand bed. Open the connection valve. Water now flows to the sand filter. Press down on the control valve handle and rotate to the backwash function. Insert the plug into a residual current device and run the sand filter for 3 to 5 minutes or until the water runs clear. This circulates water forwards through the sand bed and out the drain through port D. Unplug the sand filter and set the control valve to the rinse function. Insert the plug and run the sand filter for 1 minute. This circulates water backwards through the sand bed. Unplug the sand filter. Set the control valve to the closed position. Please note, this procedure removes water from the pool, which you need to replace. Unplug the sand filter immediately if the water level drops near the pool's inlet and outlet valves. Do not dry run the sand filter. With the sand bed ready, we'll connect the second hose to the A adapters on the pool and pump and open the connection valve. Water now flows to the sand filter. Now the sand filter is ready for use. Set the control valve to the filter function and plug the pump into a residual current device. Check that water is returning to the pool. Also, take note of the filter pressure on the pressure gauge. The recommended filter pressure is below 4 psi. When the pressure increases above 4 psi, it's time to backwash and rinse the sand bed as previously outlined. Make sure the power is off and the pump is set to the closed function. Next, close the connection valve. Detach the hose from both the pool and filter port A and attach it to filter port D. Backwash and rinse the sand bed. When the water runs clean, reattach the hose to both pool valve A and filter port A. You may also want to clean the strainer at this time. With connection valve B closed, unscrew the strainer cover, remove the debris screen, and clear any debris. The control valve is also capable of draining, which simply removes water from the pool out pump port D, and circulating, which circulates water bypassing the sand bed. In areas with freezing winter temperatures, pool equipment must be winterized to protect against damage. Be sure to backwash and rinse the sand bed as previously outlined. With the pump detached, open the drain valve on the tank bottom to release any remaining water. Completely dry the hoses of the pump and the pump's exterior. It is not necessary to remove the sand bed. Simply store in a warm, dry place. If you have any questions about our products, please visit our website at www.bestway-service.com or call our toll-free number for your region. Thanks for watching.